In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox activity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see what's changed in your account and how to zero in on the details that matter. First, open your web browser and go to dropbox.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head straight to dropbox.com/events. This page is the activity hub for your account. Think of it as a chronological feed that shows what's been happening, files and folders that were added, deleted, renamed, or shared. It's organized from the most recent activity downward, so you can quickly get a sense of what changed and when. If you're reviewing a busy account or a team workspace, take a moment to scroll through and get familiar with how the entries are listed. Each line is an event, and together they tell the story of your recent work. To make this easier to manage, use the filter button located on the right side of the events page. This is the fastest way to narrow things down. If you're looking for something that happened on a particular day, choose the date option and pick the day you have in mind. Dropbox will immediately show only the activity from that date, which is great for audits or quick check-ins. If you're trying to track changes for a single project, use the folder filter, select the folder you care about, and the feed will focus only on events from that location. This keeps the noise out and helps you spot the exact updates you need. Now, if you want details about a single file, use File Activity. Start by finding the file you're curious about in your Dropbox. Next to the file name, click the Settings option, then click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More. From that menu, choose Activity. A sidebar will open on the right, showing a timeline just for that file. You'll see when it was added, edited, moved, or shared, laid out in order so you can trace its history step by step. This view is especially helpful when you're tracking down the latest version or confirming when a change took place. That's all there is to it. Use the events page for a big picture view and the file activity sidebar when you need specifics on a single file. Thanks for watching.